Negril Police Station, what's your emergency?
You're right, I know water commission cut off my light and I can't get forged nigga G's.
Please check to ensure you have enough credit to make this call.
Yes, I know. Halloween time, I know. One look like a dope boss. You know, one of them mob killer day. Where's your dog? Halloween dog? Where's your dog? Halloween dog? Hey, dog, oh God.
Out here, dog. We need to put out my bullshit, dog. Out here, dog.
Jeffrey, are you the dog? Dog, you don't be telling me, dog. I'm too ugly. Eh? Me too ugly? I guess so. Me take for your girl, bad man.